So we're gonna make a broccoli and cheese casserole that is absolutely delicious, very keto. You definitely want this for the holidays. Honey, mac and cheese who? Honey, I'm gonna show you what to do. So get your pen out, your paper, go on and get your tea, your water, whatever you need. Go on and get it, and let's make it happen. So you definitely want to drain your broccoli. After you drain, it's time to add this bad boy right here, all throughout your broccoli. This is what we want it to look like, all throughout the broccoli. Now get ready to stir it up real good. Next, you can slice butter if you want to, or spray this throughout and stir it up real good. Sour cream, come on and do your thing. So right now, this is what it should be looking like when we get ready to add cheese. Lots of cheese. This is what you want right here. You want that cheese, baby. It's time to add that cheese. Now she's ready for the oven. So y'all, we're gonna put her in the oven for about 25-30 minutes on 400. Again, put her in the oven for 25 minutes on 400. Let's do it. So she's in the oven, ready to bake. Mac and cheese where? Mac and cheese who? Y'all, this what you want. Perfection. Perfection. Do y'all hear me? Baby, Thanksgiving is coming. Perfection. You will be the talk of the town. Y'all, like I said, I'm not gatekeeping. I'm sharing with all my sisters. Okay. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. But y'all know how we do it. I'm gonna jump right on into it. Y'all hold up. Y'all know I gotta have that water. It's something about that water. So earlier in the video, y'all already seen it's that broccoli and cheese casserole. And y'all, when I say good, mac and cheese who? Mac and cheese what? Baby, this is what you need for Thanksgiving. Like I said, I'm not gatekeeping. I'm not gatekeeping at all. You can put onion in it, and I was going to put onion in it today, but the onions, they was not giving at the store, and I was not getting to go from store to store to store to store. So this one is without onions, okay? But y'all, right here, let me get into this bowl right quick. You know, y'all know how I feel about eating on camera, but have some. Y'all have some. Girl. What? Y'all. Sis. When I say at the Thanksgiving dinner, at the Thanksgiving get together, they're gonna be saying, who made that broccoli cheese casserole? Who made that in there? Who? That's how they're gonna be saying, who did that? Who made it? Girl, you gonna be sitting there grinning. You gonna be like, I did. If you married, your husband say, my baby made that. My baby, she did that. You got a big daddy. Big daddy gonna say, y'all know my queen in there. She did that. She did that. That's how good this dish is. Now, in order to get it this way, I had to take out some of the stuff I used to do because it would not be keto friendly. It would not be keto, period. It would be real deal. And that's not what we're doing. Okay? That's not what we're doing at all. Honey. Go play with somebody else. Because this ain't playing with me right here. This is just, it's goodness. So, I'm going to go over it again in case you missed it. in case you didn't get something, you missed it while I was, you know, putting it all together. So you want a 9x5 dish, okay? So you need bigger, you know you're gonna double what you need. So you want a 9x5 dish, okay? Now, my bags of broccoli, I don't have time to be, now you can boil it. You can boil the broccoli and get it, you know, how you want it to be. But I'm going to tell you what I do, okay? Come out perfection. I've made it so much perfection every time. I put each bag in the microwave on 8 minutes and 50 seconds, okay? So you're going to take your 4 bags of broccoli, 8 minutes, 50 seconds, okay? Yeah, I hope y'all got y'all pens. Sis got y'all pen. When I say this is simple, this is easy, I got you. So you're going to get 4 bags of broccoli. You're going to put them in the microwave one at a time. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. Yes, I do drain it. Drain all the water off. We don't want no extra water going into our 9x5 cooking dish. All right, so now you have heated your broccoli. You have drained the broccoli. Now you're going to put your broccoli into your 9x5 cooking dish. Now, you're going to get that Lawry's. Okay, you're going to get that Lawry's seasoning. And you're going to season. You're going to season. You're going to season it, okay? And after you season it, you're going to take your butter. Now, you can take butter and cut it up into thin slices. Look, I ain't got time for all that. Spray. Spray. And then you're going to toss. Stir that all up good together. Now, you're going to get your sour cream. And you're going to stir. All up in there. And now, if you want to add onions, this would be the time to go on and add your onions and your sour cream. All throughout. Now, you done broccoli seasoned. You done put your onions and your sour cream, and you done got your Lawry's on there, and you done sprayed the butter, or you done cut thin slices of butter up and tossed all throughout. Now you want to get your cheese. Don't play with the cheese, okay? We didn't come here to play no games. Like I said, you gonna be the talk of the town. To be the talk of the town, girl, you got to be right. So, you got to be right. So the cheese, don't be scared of the cheese. Now, the cheese, I take half the bag and I go all the way through it. Stir it up, cook it up, stir it up. Okay, so when I did all that, then the rest of it, I just spread on top of it, nice and smooth. Spread on top, nice and smooth. Then I go back over with my little spray, the little butter spray. Then I take pepper and I sprinkle on top. Y'all, that's it. Do y'all hear me? That's it. We not doing no working hard in the kitchen. We ain't doing none of that. So now, your oven should be on 400. Everybody's oven is different. That's what I'm saying. 20-25 minutes. 35. Anywhere from, you know what? I'm gonna say from 25 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. I don't know what your oven do. You know, I like mine to be a little golden brown on top. It's gonna be sizzling. Sizzle. Cheese gonna be stretching. When it's golden brown on top, it's a winner. Pull that bad boy out. Let it cool. Like I say, macaroni who? Macaroni and cheese what? Look. No. I'm telling you. You on your weight loss journey? We're not finna let Thanksgiving jack us up, okay? We're not finna let it jack us up. Go ahead and cook this beforehand, and I promise you, baby, this is a winner, banger chicken dinner. And don't worry, I'm gonna do the chicken for y'all too. I'm gonna do the chicken online. I'm gonna do the chicken. So I got you covered while everybody else eating that. You already know what you already see. My sister she texts me, you know, talking about what I'm bringing or whatever. See, I'm gonna do the chicken because I'm gonna prepare it the way I know it should be prepared, and they gonna love it. They gonna love it. They gonna eat it down. Do y'all hear me? Y'all already know I'm taking big pans of broccoli and cheese casserole. So on Thanksgiving, I know I'm good. I'm good. I ain't got to worry about messing up. I ain't got to mess up. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good on weight loss journey. I'm gonna be good, girl. I'm gonna be good, girl. So anyway, that's how y'all make this easy broccoli and cheese casserole. Okay, so if you new here and you thinking about subscribing, girl, go on and subscribe. You're gonna love it here. I got you covered. I got you covered. Yes, we behind on Vlogtober, but I'm still gonna pop out these videos. I got lots of content for y'all. Y'all know I love you. Y'all know I want you to be a royal. Y'all come on to the royal family. But anyway, y'all, I gotta get ready because I'm going out in a little bit. Y'all, I'm going to the movies tonight, and I'll let y'all know how that is too, because you know I'll be vlogging. But anyway, like I said, y'all want the bomb broccoli cheese casserole? I bought it for you. This is keto. I got you. Anyway, until next time, y'all know I love you. Toodles, and I'm out.